Imagine a company so massive. It's like owning a significant piece of America's industrial and service landscape. This is Berkshire Hathaway, and understanding what they do is key to grasping one of the most successful investment strategies ever devised at its core. Berkshire Hathaway is a diversified holding company. Step 1, they operate primarily in insurance. Think of companies that provide protection against risks, from property damage to health, but it doesn't stop there. Step 2, they also have significant stakes in railroads, the backbone of physical goods transportation, and utilities, the essential services that power our homes and businesses. Step 3, manufacturing, is another huge piece of the puzzle. They acquire and manage companies that produce everything from building materials and clothing to specialized industrial products. Step 4, and let's not forget services. This encompasses a broad range of businesses, from car dealerships and furniture stores to private aviation. The key to all these acquisitions is simple. Berkshire Hathaway seeks businesses with strong, sustainable competitive advantages, what Warren Buffett calls moats, and, crucially, excellent management teams. So, what's their ultimate role? They are master capital allocators. Instead of focusing on fleeting market trends, Berkshire Hathaway is relentlessly focused on long-term value creation, investing for decades, not days. It's a strategic enterprise, a behemoth built on acquiring and nurturing businesses that contribute to the very fabric of the economy, all with an eye on enduring success.